walking all over the room. Wonder why I don't stop biting my nails. Why carry this feeling of doom? A couple more hours and I'll get the mail. I'll get the mail. Finding it so hard to eat. The toast and the eggs that just don't taste the same. Hearing the noise in the street, I run to the window and cry out your name. Telephone postman, bring me a letter. Telephone postman, make me feel better. Been so many days since that I met her. Telephone postman, bring me a letter. Bring me a letter. Remembering that she said for sure, I write you the minute I get off the plane. Nothing, not one single word. It must come this morning or I'll go insane. I'll go insane. Now it's been almost 5 days. Could she have said it by air or by rail? I hear someone's coming this way. This must be it, yes it must be the mail.